I've got another great drought-tolerant plant I want to share with you. This is called Gray Santolina. We have it growing here in our rock garden because it does like good rocky and good drainage soils. So you can see here, it's got that gray foliage, and usually that's kind of a telltale sign of a plant that is drought tolerant. And so it can handle our Oklahoma heats and sometimes those drier soil conditions that we might experience as we head into those summer months. Now the foliage itself actually kind of reminds me of an Arizona cypress. It's kind of got that grayish green color that it brings to the garden landscape. And you can see up close it has kind of a fuzzy texture to it. What's unique about this is it's actually, the species comes from the Greek word meaning dwarf cypress, so it doesn't surprise me that it sort of reminds me of the Arizona cypress. And you can see how it kind of spreads. It'll create these kind of rolling mounds of this sort of like a cloud-like effect in your landscape. Now in late spring it also will put up these flower buds. Now these flower buds, while it is in the Asteraceae family and they look like kind of like the little buds or the eyes of a daisy, that's because they are sort of that eye of the daisy or the eye of the mum, because they lack the ray florets that you often see around the mum or the daisy. Instead they just have these button-like flowers that sort of polka dot the landscape. But that contrast between the bright yellow and the gray foliage makes a nice addition to any landscape. Now if you're not really interested in the gray color in your landscape, there also is a green Santolina to check out. Both of these are hardy from zone 6 to 10, and again a great addition in any Oklahoma garden.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.